This is the Greenote Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Let's take it out of the box. In the box they give you a user manual, power adapter here that'll charge the battery. Over here is a brush, so you can clean up like that. They give you the floor attachment with the motorized brush roll. They give you an upholstery attachment, has a sort of fabric here to help, and also this is also motorized right there. Replacement filter for the unit. They give you the extension pole here, crevice tool right here, we all know what that does, and this tool is for the brush roll here. If you have hairs and stuff, you can cut that off, clean it out nice, and of course you get the vacuum itself right here. Now this vacuum, like I said, is cordless from Greenote, and this will do 23 kilopascals of suction on high and 11 kilopascals of suction on low. Even on low, it's actually quite powerful. And everything just snaps together, as you see here with these. This snaps together, has the electrical connection right there. Let me go ahead and just turn the unit on here. First of all, it's very lightweight, about 2.5 pounds. Press the trigger, and it turns on. Now, obviously, there's no attachment hooked up at the moment, but you can go ahead and plug in that if you wanted, or the brush if you wanted to do that, for example. You also have high speed, pressing the button there. And it's quite powerful all around. The battery in this unit will last you 18 minutes at full power and 35 minutes on low power. And the battery recharges in only 4 hours. The battery is also detachable from the rest of the vacuum by pressing the blue button on top. I'll show you. See, the battery comes off from the vacuum, so if it's more convenient, you can charge it that way, just like that, with it disconnected without having a really big bulky thing there. So let's go ahead and put this together, and I'll vacuum the carpet. So you have an extendable pole here, so that can lock anywhere if you want to just open a little bit, or all the way it locks in, or however you need. And the head of the floor attachment right here is really nice because it will go ahead and lock into place. So if I put it here so you can see it, it locks in and it'll stand up. Now this is just an uneven floor, but otherwise there you go. It will indeed stand up in and of its own right without any problem. It looks like we had a visit from the styrofoam monster, so we're going to go ahead and vacuum. You can hear the brush roll. This is on low only. If I shut the lights, you can see how the headlight works. That works pretty well right there. You can see how it'll swivel and maneuver to get anywhere you need to go, just like that. We'll finish vacuuming up. If you had some more stubborn dirt, you can go to high, and on high you can hear the difference. It really wants to suck the mat up over here. So that all works quite well. Now I've switched over to the upholstery brush, and you'll see that has its own motor in it. And you can also see all the dirt right in here that the vacuum has picked up just from the floor. So we can go ahead and vacuum this, and it's really nice with that upholstery brush going, because that can really help to get some dust and dirt out of your chairs that you didn't even know was there. You can even go up on the back of it right over here, and it does just a fine job with that. When you're done, you can just clip this open, and there's all the dirt in there, and that can be dumped out in the garbage can and ready for the next time. Or you can also, if you need to, remove the filter, wash that, clean it, and you'll be all set for next time. And if there's any doubt, that dust in there, it just picked up. You couldn't even see it on the chair. So the Greenote cordless vacuum really works fantastic. So the Greenote cordless vacuum cleaner seems to work quite well. I like the fact that it has a motorized brush roll for both upholstery and the floor. Seems to do a great job. Picked up all that kind of stuff that I showed and more I didn't even know was there, and it's all right in the dirt collection cup. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.